Hello A-Fam from the University of the Philippines in Manila.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh, and this is our friend Yan.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, give us a like, and hit that little bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go.
Alright, we've come to the University of the Philippines to try some different items here in the Philippines, and we were with our friend Yanni.
Hi.
She Instagrammed messaged us and said, hey, if you guys are in the Philippines, let me know and I'll help you guys out. So we're really thankful for her to help us out because when we look at things, we don't know what they are. But today she's going to help us and let us know what we're eating. Our first item are called fish balls. And we put a sauce on it, but yes. I don't remember what kind of sauce.
It's a sweet chili sauce.
A sweet chili sauce, that's what she said to put on it. And she said that they're not actually made of fish. So I have no idea what they're going to taste like.
Maybe they were like originally fish back in the day and they just kind of make whatever they can now.
But that's just speculation.
Yes.
I'm
not too certain.
No one knows what's in them, let's just say.
So should we try these little fish balls?
Yeah, give it a shot.
You use your fingers?
I'll get the...
Okay. So first bite of little fish balls. They're not technically balls either.
They're more like little fish pancakes.
Their judgment.
Yep.
I like the sauce a lot.
It's just a sweet chili. You probably recognize the flavors,
They're
yeah?
so delicious. The fish balls.
Is it fishy?
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Not what you expect. They're just like little pieces of dough almost.
Yeah.
But the
Does
sauce,
it have a filling inside?
No.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, they're just little dough frisbees with a delicious sauce.
Just fish balls.
That's
Douse
good.
it in sauce, really good. They would go around the neighborhood and they would shout fish balls, and they have a certain sound. And if you hear that in the middle of the afternoon, like we run out.
What's the sound?
To buy a fish ball. I forgot.
Fish balls!
Fish balls! Fish balls!
Yeah.
And that's when you know the fish ball vendor's coming by.
Yeah.
It's cool.
It's great. It's kind of like the ice cream man in the U.S.
Yes.
Like you know the ice cream man's coming because of his little song.
Exactly.
The fish ball man is coming.
Yes. And they have this little cart, so push it around, go around the neighborhood, and yeah, they have fish balls.
Pancit Cantor?
Pancit Cantor? Is that
Canton.
Cantor?
Canton.
Canton?
Canton.
Oh, Canton. Okay.
Pancit Canton.
So the Cantonese style noodles.
No.
Oh,
Maybe.
okay.
Yeah.
Translation,
Pancit Canton.
please.
Pancit Canton. I think Canton is the type of noodles that's used for this specific noodle dish.
Right.
Yeah,
There
they're
are
thicker.
a lot of different types of noodles. But this is the instant kind, so it's not the real one.
It's not like gourmet.
Yes.
This is the real food that you would actually eat,
Yes.
not in a fancy restaurant.
Yes.
This is university food.
University food.
All right, hit it.
Almost looks like top ramen, but the noodles are really curly and thicker. That's so good.
Right? It's my favorite like snack. So after class, you go here.
Yeah.
Get that and this.
Man, those noodles are like really thick, and you just chew them, but there's a citrus inside there. And it must be the.
So this is the there are a couple of flavors. So this is the calamansi flavor.
I love that. The citrus is
Because
really
it
bomb.
looks just like you said, top ramen from here.
Yeah, that was not the texture or flavor that I was expecting, but I like it way more than top ramen. I would have this for sure for lunch. It's like curly pieces of hair. Like, that's probably not a great description. I love the citrus in it.
Next up, I'm trying dynamite or dinamita. It's a green chili. It's got what looks like a lumpia wrapper.
Yes.
And it's fried. It's got pork inside as well as cheese, you said?
Yes.
So basically it's a jalapeno popper, kind of, but Filipino style. So we're also pairing it with a mayonnaise and spicy ketchup type thing.
Sauce.
Fry sauce for Americans in the Midwest. Here we go.
Whoa, that's a big bite.
Yep. It's a jalapeno popper. But this one's very good.
A fresh, delicious
A fresh,
one.
delicious one. No, seriously. I can actually taste all the individual flavors. It's not like biting into a pile of, just like hot oil, which is oftentimes what you get with the jalapeno poppers that we have back home.
To be clear, it's not a jalapeno.
It's not. It is a green chili. So maybe that's one of the things about it. There's not a ton of space in there, so all the oil gets cooked out. I don't know, but This is really fresh, and I want more.
The egg is called the kwek. The smaller one, which is quail, is called toknene.
Quick.
Kwek.
It's
But
like
that's egg.
what we say, like quack quack, like a
Yeah.
Like a
duck
duck.
sound. Yeah, quick.
Kwek. This is toknene.
Okay.
And we put vinegar with toknene. And soy
I
sauce
love vinegar.
with calamansi for the fried shawmai.
So she made a sauce. It's soy sauce and then lime.
Yes.
And she squidged it in here, and we put it with this, which is fried pork.
Yes.
Um,
Like dumplings.
yeah, like dumplings. But the friedness just looks so crunchy.
And this is sauce I haven't really seen done before, like lime with soy sauce specifically for like a pork dumpling.
Really?
Yeah, I've never
Yeah.
seen that before.
Oh.
But it
You can
sounds
put
delicious.
chili, maybe after you eat it, you can put chili on it.
There you go.
Poke this puppy. Get some sauce. Down the hatch. There's some kind of sweetness inside there. It's really thick, like chewy. Not chewy. Sorry. You can chew right through it. It's really good. I like it a lot. I love the crunch of these little things right here. But then when you get to this edge right here, you just chomp down and it goes straight through, and really good. But I'm not sure if the sweetness is in the meat on the inside or the crunchy on the outside. It's really good with the sauce too. That's a win. They're all a win. We have not had one thing in the Philippines that we haven't liked.
No, literally everything we've eaten, we've been like, wow, that's actually very good.
Even things
Really?
where we're
Yeah.
just like, we'll
that's
have
cool.
that and we don't know what it is. It's been delicious.
Cool.
Everything.
All right, this is toknene, or fried quail eggs.
Just put it with the vinegar.
Oh, do I? Do I dip it in
Yeah.
the same thing that you had?
No, right here.
This one.
Made it on the side.
So vinegar, it looks like there's a little bit of onion and a tiny bit of chili in there as well. Okay, so. Every time you try something, you're like, that looks a little bit strange. And then it tastes amazing.
Yeah. It looks like a big Cheeto, like a
Yeah.
Cheeto puff.
Okay, so flavors. It's got an egg in the middle. It tastes like a hard-boiled egg, but it's a small quail egg, so it's not like super eggy and meaty. It's small, very edible. The fried wrapper on the outside, it's not like really crisp. It's a little bit soft. And then the vinegar adds a little zing to it. So really good flavor, like combining flavors. It's very good. Okay, Ashley, what do you have here?
Kahanil.
Puto bongbong.
Oh, puto
I was waiting for that. She was telling you the one thing that's in there, and you said it. Okay, what was the name of it?
Puto bonbon.
Yes.
Okay,
It's a type of kakanin.
okay, which would be sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
Okay, we're getting it. But so we have the sticky rice here, which is purple color because of ube, which is a sweet yam that they use for a lot of desserts here in the Philippines. And then on the side here is a type of sugar. And then here we have some coconut shavings. And it all comes on a nice little leaf.
It's butter, drenched in butter.
Are the coconuts drenched in butter, or these are? Okay. So very healthy.
Very.
So how do you eat it? Do you get a piece of this and then get some
little bit of
coconut?
each, yeah.
A little of each. Okay. Cut it.
Like creating the perfect bite.
Umami. This salty butter with this sweet sugar and the
coconut.
squish of the rice.
What is she thinking?
So many thoughts going through your brain right now.
Yeah.
You love desserts, so how does this fare?
Well, with the butter, it kind of reminds me of like French toast. It kind of tastes like French toast to me.
Okay, French toast flavors.
Yeah, but the texture is totally different. This is very chewy
Yep.
in a way. It's not like mochi, which is really soft, but it is chewier. I actually prefer this over mochi, actually. But not overwhelming flavors. It's just really easy to eat. It's not going to be like a dessert. I think that would be overwhelming.
So at first I get the coconut flavor, which is a little bit bland at the first taste because it's just coconut on the tongue. And then, yeah, you're right, it's chewy, but it has the flavor of a sweet potato in a way, but it's very mild sweet potato. And that sugar is not as sweet as I thought it'd be, but it's got a sort of a coffee, like a coffee caramel flavor to the sugar. It's a good combination. I'm not sure about the squishy bits. It tastes good, but like it's just not a texture that I'm used to in really any foods.
Yeah, in the U.S. we really don't have anything that's squishy.
No.
It's a lot around Asia.
Yeah, it's kind of like uncooked dough texture, you know? Which is usually not a texture that we eat. But it is good. It just is strange in the mouth.
It's warm. This one is called palitao. And palitao.
Palitaw.
Okay, palitao. I was close.
Palita.
But the rice cakes with sugar and coconut, and it's served warm, and sesame seeds, which sesame seed is such a good flavor. I actually really like this one a lot. It reminds me of oatmeal. Like when I put oatmeal.
And you like oatmeal?
Yeah, like I put nuts in it, and sugar and coconut. Like the rice cake is really nice. I feel like Filipino desserts are not overwhelming flavors. It's all about putting all these flavors together into one thing instead of doing like just one whole chocolate cake. It's like all these flavors and how they mix together. This one's really delicious. I wasn't expecting it to be warm. Still with the squish though, definitely not used to that, but I'm starting to like it.
All right, that concludes our Filipino food tasting tour. I'm so glad that we actually did it on campus because this is something that probably not a bunch of people have seen.
Yeah,
This
it's
is
like student food and
Yeah.
really affordable. Which
And
is
this
great.
place is huge, actually. There's a whole big open space here for sports, and we're being told that this place actually has a little bit of a microclimate because of how green it is. So really interesting.
Yeah, it was delicious. Thank you so much to Yanni for help. Yan,
Yan.
our friend Yan. You know, having a local and going around
Yeah.
with you, it just makes the world a difference. And so we really appreciate that.
So if you're coming here to the Philippines, this video I think is invaluable because you have a local's guide essentially to all the foods to try, and everything that we had was actually amazing.
Yeah, my favorite was like the whole day. My favorite was the jalapeno popper, which isn't actually jalapeno. But it was
Dinamita?
delicious.
Yeah. Give that a shot. All right. Goodbye from Vanilla. I hope we encouraged you to get out there and travel today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.